folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code to Create. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to scrape an image. So let's get started. First we're going to import pandas. So I'm going to say import pandas as PD, and then I'm going to import selenium. So I'm going to say import selenium, and then I'm going to say from selenium import WebDriver. And I'm going to import time. Time is basically for waiting, and we have these exceptions, right? Stale element exception and no such element exception. So let's do that. I'm going to say from selenium dot common dot exceptions import stale element reference exception and no such element except oh god exception, and let's import requests. Let's run this, and then I'm gonna get that driver. So I'm gonna say driver is equal to WebDriver dot chrome. Let's run this up, and then I'm going to say URL is equal to, let's put Amazon. We're going to scrape Amazon SARI images. So I'm going to say https www.amazon.in driver.get URL. Let's run this, and then I'm going to say input is equal to driver.find element by xpath, because we need to enter this thing up over here. We have to enter SARI. So I'm going to say it's an input in ID is this. Input in oh god, sorry, ID is this, and I'm gonna say input. Okay, input is already a key here. It's an inbuilt key. It's an inbuilt function to say. So I'm gonna say input underscore dot send keys. Keys saris. Let's run this, and then we need to click on the search button. Okay, so this is also an input, and its ID is this. So okay, let's just copy this up, and we're gonna put this here, and I'm just gonna name this as button. Yeah, let's go here, get its ID, and let's paste it up, dot click. And then we have to create a list so we can put our images inside that list. So I'm gonna name this as images underscore saris. Sari is equal to, it's just a list. And then I'm gonna say first we're supposed to get this. We have to click on this for getting the image, right? So we're gonna click this. We're gonna get the image first. Yes. We're gonna get the image first. So I'm gonna copy this class. I'm gonna say elements is equal to driver.find elements by xpath. Remember guys, elements, there's a difference between elements and element. Element, you'll only get the first one which has that ID, that ID or class. But for elements, it will show all of them. It'll get all of them. So we're gonna do elements for getting the image, as we want to get all the images in this page. Elements by xpath image. And this one is class. Yes. And then we're going to create a for loop saying for I in elements image is equal to I.get attribute, I.get underscore attribute. We're going to get the src. Src, that is this one. We're going to get this, all the links. And after getting the links, what we're gonna do is we're gonna say images underscore sari dot append image. Let's run this up. And then I'm gonna say for image in images underscore sari file name is equal to image dot split. So here in this cell in this for loop we're basically gonna get like we're gonna get this into our file directly. I mean, we're gonna download it actually to save. And I'm gonna say print. I'm gonna print the file name. The file name is I'm gonna get the file name up here. Yes. And then I'm gonna say r is equal to, we're gonna get request to our files. I'm gonna say r is equal to request dot get image comma stream is true. If r dot status underscore code is equal to 200 with open file name, file name for chunking or f dot write chunk and then else print nothing, just an empty string. Let's run it and let's wait till it gets over. Okay, and now let's get to file explorer and let's go to OS, that's C. Let's go to users, go to your file directory that you've put, and if you go down, yes guys, you can see we have all the sari images up here. Yes guys, now we know how to scrape and download an image from Python. Thank you friends. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment down below. Bye bye.